Hey everybody, how you doing? I want to show you the Black Friday haul that I got. I went to a couple different stores, and as I've been doing a lot of Black Friday shopping in the past, listening to a couple of YouTube channels, I didn't need a lot this time. I'll talk more about that later, but I found some really good deals last year and the year before on those BOGOs. I don't need more stuff. So what I was on the hunt for were some decent chisels. Now, I know these are not your $150 chisels with the carbide and all that stuff, but I heard some really good things about these Jorgensen Chisels, so picked these up over at Lowe's for, I believe, around $35. I was going to pick up a couple of their bar clamps, but they only had one left, and so I don't want to buy just one. I need two because I do a lot of those flags. Those flags over there, I do those kinds of projects, and one clamp isn't going to be enough. I like to use my rockler up there, if you can see those, but I thought that these Jorgensen would be great too. This here, I actually got from Home Depot. I love this kit. It's got the drill bits over here. Got some nice stuff here. They call it the black and gold max fit 130 piece. I got some nice, we got 2-inch bits over there, some 2-inch bits, then we got some small ones, but star bits, square bits, you know, just some variety of bits, and then they got a bunch up in here. Now, here's the thing, folks. You know, as some of you know, I'm a professor. I teach business analytics. I used to teach economics. Don't let this fool you, okay? Don't let this fool you. You are not getting, you know, I paid $28 for this kit, maybe $29, and you're not saving, you know, $200 here. What they're saying here is if you buy them separately, okay? If you buy these separately, but come on, who's going to sit here and buy one drill bit, you know, of any of these separately? Yeah, you might buy the big one because you need it for a project and you don't have a kit like this or like that or like that or that. But come on. So don't let this fool you. Don't let this advertisement that these clever marketers put together over at DeWalt, Black & Decker, Stanley. You know, they're great people. I love their products. You can see I picked up a couple of other DeWalt things, and I got a lot of DeWalt tools all over the place. But it doesn't matter which one. Like, they're all going to say that they're saving you tons of money. But yeah, but they're not really saving you a ton of money if you would have never bought that to begin with, right? So that's something that I teach my students, and I teach people in the community a lot. Like, they're not saving you money here because now you're spending $30 on things that you probably never would have bought to begin with. So what I would argue is they're bonuses. Like, I love this. It'll fit with your T-Stack. It'll fit with your DeWalt. Here, that's why I like this, because I can replace the bits. I can put the bits back in here. I can do all that stuff, but it's really nice. It's really nice here. So let's get this thing open, shall we? So, nice case, nice open. Now, it does have the plastic on here, so let's just get rid of that. And what I really liked about this was the choices you have here. In here, and then these guys right in here, yeah, they're Phillips, but, well, I personally like to use the GRK fasteners, the star bits, the spaz, just because, you know, I'm not a professional. I don't have 20 years of experience here putting this stuff together, so, you know, but, you know, Phillips, that'll be great too. I mean, if you want to do lower cross screws, like drywall screws for a lot of your projects, you know, like this here, putting this underlayment up, you know, obviously these are GRK star bits. They don't have to be. They could have been the drywall screws that you used the Phillips on. That's my point there. So, love this kit. Mainly because these are going to be, we'll open these up soon, and they're going to be all over the place, right? Like, you can stack them together, sure, but I like this flat case that you can just put anywhere. In fact, I might order another one online at Home Depot because they're not in the stores. I talked to some people, and they're just not in the stores. The lacrosse store, they said they had one, but really, when you get down to that kind of inventory level, you really don't have any. You know, it's probably a display item, or it's an item that they didn't cycle count out, so their inventory is off, that kind of thing. So, they're online. I like them. I might get another one. Craftsman has a version of this. Imagine that, because Craftsman, Black & Decker, Stanley, they're all the same company. So, you're going to have a red one like this. Not quite everything in here, but it'll have different unique things in the kit. Obviously not yellow, but, so let's move on here. So, Lowe's, Home Depot. This guy here, I've seen him at a couple of different stores. Northern Tool has them. you know, you don't have these at Lowe's because they don't carry Milwaukee, but Home Depot carries them. But I actually found this at Mills Fleet Farm. Same price at Northern Tool, but, you know, Mills Fleet Farm had this, nice and neat. Small bits, unlike that DeWalt one that we just looked at there. But, you know, got some nice ones here, got some nice impact ready, got some long bits here, you can replace this one here, you got a couple of drivers here, so decent kit, you know, it's usually 35, 40 bucks, and right now I got that at Farm and Fleet for about, you know, $17, so almost half off. Here's a turkey. Okay, this here, moving on, I decided to buy this, because as I said, I'm not a professional, but it's the Workbench hardware kit from Simpson Strong Tie. And basically I'm buying them for the corner pieces. Could I have bought these separately? Yeah, but this was 15 bucks at Lowe's. It's a nice kit, comes with all the screws, comes with the plans, all that kind of stuff. So I would never pay more than that, right? Like, don't ever pay more than that. You can buy these pieces, the corner connectors, you can buy those separately. It does come with 8 of them, so I feel like I got good value there. That's what these look like here, right in there. So you can go buy those, and you're probably going to spend, you know, I think I saw them for $3, $4 a piece, so 24, 25 bucks. Maybe I'm saving 10 bucks by buying it as a kit. Okay, I want to show you these things here because this I bought tonight at Lowe's. So I got some nice long bits in here, right in there. It's got a insert there. Got the black and gold here. Now this one here, I bought this one 2 years ago at Lowe's. I bought 3 of them at Lowe's, you know, and I opened the other 2, and this one was sitting in my garage. I found it because I want to compare it for you folks. Listen carefully here. You see how it's DWA 110 set? DWA 110 set. They are not the same. Okay, obviously the marketing is different, the packaging is different, so congratulations marketers on making something different and attractive. But if you want to look here, look what we got. We got something different here than we have over here. This looks the same, so they didn't make any innovations there, you know, except for, you know, the labeling. Okay, the labeling. But look at this one. This is the big difference here. Okay? Look at this here and this one here. They're different. They're different. Honestly, I prefer this one. I know some people don't because you like to have just that little piece there. But I'm so used to this one here, so that's a lame excuse. But, I mean, otherwise, you got some similar stuff here. Updated technology on this one. But it is, I mean, they're calling it the same. DWA 110 set. DWA 110 set. So take a look at the back. Any differences here? Nope. No differences here in the back. There you go. 2019. Right on there. 2019. Let's get in there. Okay. Otherwise, I mean, they're different here. Like these are different part numbers or model numbers. Right. Yep. But the front is calling them out as the DWA 110 set. So, you know, if you're telling people to go out and get that for you because you're like me and you really enjoyed the other 2 here, I mean, these are kind of worthless. I mean, eventually you have a whole drawer full of these. These are just, you know, sitting there collecting dust. What I'm after are the longer pieces here and here. I like these up in there. But again, just like that, you know, Milwaukee kit and the DeWalt kit over here, you are getting the longer Phillips. So you got to choose your poison here. So there you go. You're getting the longer Phillips in there. Getting your black and gold fix on. But again, I like this one because this is nice. This is nice. Nice one right in here. So very good stuff here. So that's my haul for Black Friday. Like I said, not as much as I used to buy. I mean, I've got all kinds of DeWalt tools in here that, you know, I got my Metabo table saw over there. Just got a lot of stuff here. I mean, again, here's more DeWalt stuff. I got the fast chargers, all that kind of stuff. So I don't really need to buy much anymore because I got all those BOGOs. Right, so take care, everybody. Just wanted to give you an idea of what you would do here. Again, my favorite. I love these. I mean, I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these chisels. Right now, I have I think they're the Stanley chisels, and you know, I wish I knew how to get them replaced because the Stanley chisels started to chip themselves as I started using them. Now, I'm a rookie. You know, I'm a newbie, so maybe I wasn't using them right, but it's a chisel. It's not supposed to crumble. So I'll be interested. Hopefully, I'll never have to use this. But the Jorgensen limited warranty lifetime. So we'll see what that's all about. It's got chromium alloy steel right there. And I don't know how much you know about that, but the chromium, that's in your stainless steel. Chromium is a big factor in your 316 stainless steel as well. So, all right, later.